Welcome to my channel. Why is my printer printing slowly on Wi-Fi? Paper jam error solved. Step 1. Check for paper jams. Open all printer covers and carefully remove any stuck paper. Even small paper pieces can cause slow printing. Step 2. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer, unplug it for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 3. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the router for 30 seconds and reconnect it. A weak Wi-Fi connection can slow down printing. Step 4. Move the printer closer to the router. Make sure the printer receives a strong Wi-Fi signal. Avoid walls and large obstacles between them. Step 5. Check print quality settings. Select standard or draft mode instead of best quality to improve print speed. Step 6. Clear the print queue. Delete any stuck or pending print jobs from your computer and resend the document. Step 7. Use the correct paper type. Make sure the paper loaded in the tray matches the paper setting selected on the printer. Step 8. Update printer drivers. Install the latest printer driver and firmware to fix performance issues. Step 9. Run printer maintenance. Use the printer's built-in maintenance tools to clean printheads and check for errors. Step 10. Print a test page. Print a test page to confirm the paper jam is cleared and the Wi-Fi printing speed has improved. Thanks for watching.